Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to stop Microsoft spyware. So for this, here you need to type cmd and now click on Run as Administrator. So now this interface will open. Now if I open my notepad, so you will find all these links in the description. So if you want to check if it is enabled in your PC or not, so first of all, let's check the status. So copy this and paste it here and press enter. So here it will state that it is enabled. Now to disable this, you need to copy the second code here and now paste the code here. So now the Microsoft spyware will disabled. So here it will take few seconds while disabling features, and after 1 minute the feature will disabled. And in case if you want to enable this again, you will get this link in the description too, so you can enable this. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.